In Morden, South London, there's a back garden. And for Malachi, it's a magical place.
I'm just picking out some gooseberries. Feels good, it feels good. Some tomatoes here. Got some peas over here. Looks a bit like a weird banana. Got some apples here. It makes me feel quite peaceful, relaxed.
But not so long ago, Malachi's life wasn't so peaceful.
I brought a bladed article, I brought a knife, whatever you want to call it, into school because I felt threatened. I was about 14 years old.
When the police were called to school and Malachi was searched and the weapon found, he says he learnt a lesson, that it offered no solution. And now in this garden, there's a different message that he likes to rap about.
I embrace love in this world. I'm a leaf, but put together we are trees. So let's grow like birds of a feather and fly away and stop this hurting forever. Till the day that I die, I know that love is in my heart. And when we see that love is king, we will stop suffering.
It's called the Hip Hop Garden. There's a recording studio in a shed and enough room to grow food while enjoying it.
We got potatoes, nice to eat. Hot like your beets. Cut them up fine, make chips, they will grow.
This all started when Ian Solomon Kowal took on the council house rented by his late mother. He decided to let the community make use of it.
I thought, let me use this home as an example of what could be possible. Combining hip-hop, the culture of hip-hop, all the elements with gardening to make it more relevant, make it culturally accessible, make it fun, make it engaging.
Plant more trees so that we can breathe. Plant more trees so that we can breathe.
So now London is a national park city. Is the Hip Hop Garden an idea that could spread?
You could have this duplicated, franchised kind of level all across the city so that young people have places they can go that are still close to them, that are still in their own urban environment, but give them a connection to something else.
Certainly Malachi enjoys the garden, a source of delicious food and of food for thought for his music.
Don't be annoyed by little things everybody loves, because that's just you in a different body, bruv. Be yourself, see yourself, give yourself a hug.